Yeah, this is how we roll every day. We always woke up at 6 a.m. in the morning, you see. Okay, let's go. You love daddy, are you sure?
Yes.
Is that for daddy? Let me see. Wow. Say good morning to auntie. Okay, go and hug auntie. Say good morning, auntie. I love you. Then see a friend. Oh. Yeah, say good morning to auntie.
Good morning.
Okay. Good morning, everybody. This is your favorite boy, KWAYAH. On to another morning motivation vlog. Yeah, this is how we roll every day. We always woke up at 6 a.m. in the morning. You see, I'm still like, you see how swelling my face is. We always wake up at 6 in the morning every day and get my kids ready for school. After that, come back home and do what I gotta do. Good morning, everybody. This is your favorite boy, KWAYAH. They call me quiet with a mix and get to the jealous. Are you ready, son? Are you ready?
Yeah, it's heavy.
Is it heavy? You want daddy to help you?
Yeah.
And are you sure you're gonna listen in school?
Yeah.
Okay, what daddy tell you this morning? I said after eating, what next?
Water.
After drinking water, what you gonna do next?
Cookies.
After eating your cookies, what's gonna be the next?
Food.
Make sure you eat your food in school.
And the spoon.
And the spoon. And make sure you put your flags in your lunch bag and put your spoon in your lunch bag too. Don't lost it. Do you get that?
Yes.
Do you love daddy?
Yes.
You ready to go to school?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
I love you, Daddy.
You love daddy, are you sure?
Yes.
Is that for daddy?
Yeah.
Let me see. Wow, that's let me see. You want to show daddy something? Let me see. Oh, my baby loves daddy.
Daddy,
Yeah. Okay, come this way. Let me see.
turn it.
You want me to turn the camera?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. That's for daddy?
Yes.
I love you so much, Zion.
I love you too.
You love me too?
Yes.
Okay, come and give me a hug. Oh, I love my baby. Yeah, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Yeah, go and say goodbye to mommy. Go and tell mommy. Yeah. Yeah, go and say goodbye, mommy. I'm leaving.
Bye, Mommy. I'm leaving.
Do you hug Zara?
Bye, Zara. I'm leaving.
Oh, yeah, Zara is pointing. Let's go.
Okay. Can you move in the picture?
Okay.
I need the jacket.
You need a jacket?
Daddy.
Okay, I guess because it's cold outside, my daughter said she needs a jacket. And I believe she needs it. Alright. About to drop Zion in school. Bro, being a parent in America is not easy. Ask anybody, you won't even be able to walk. Having a kids in America, early in the morning you got to drop them in school, and you still have to pick them up. Sometimes it's so stressful, but you do worry though. I'm waiting for Zion. She went to put on a jacket. Yes, my for you, baby. Are you coming? Good job. Come on, princess. Come on, let's go.
I want to say everything.
Okay, let me open the door for my baby girl. You want to take a picture?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see you pose.
Cheese.
Cheese. Yeah, you can do another style.
Cheese.
Oh, that's my baby girl. Good job. Are you gonna be kind in school today?
Yes.
You're gonna be a good girl?
Yes.
Who is the best?
I am the best.
Who is the strongest?
I am the best.
Who is the smartest? Are you beautiful?
Yes.
Are you sure?
I got shared all the toys for the friends.
Oh, okay. All right. Let's go, baby girl.
Okay.
Let me open the car door for you. No, I'm gonna do that. I'm a gentleman, baby. Do you say thank you, Daddy? Okay. Okay. Open the door time. On my way to drop Zion in school.
Daddy,
Yeah.
I'm good.
You're good?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You're ready to go to school, right?
Yes.
All right. On our way to school.
It's on Friday.
Yeah, today is Friday, right?
It's my first day at school.
Okay. Your last day in school?
My first day at school.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I'm not sure about that. Okay, we're on our way to school. About to drop Zion. And after dropping Zion, I still have to go and drop Zara. That's how we roll. Every day. Every single day. Every Monday to Friday. That's how it goes.
Yes.
Yes. I love you too, baby. You are my best friend. You know I love you, right?
Big love.
Big love. Woo! Big love for daddy. I'm happy, baby girl. Daddy's so happy for having big love. Zion say big love. How do you do that? You want to show me again? Woo! Big love for daddy. Daddy's so lucky.
I'm so happy for you.
You're so happy for me? Why are you happy for me?
I love you.
Because you love me?
Yes.
Wow, I'm happy for you too because I love you. I'm so happy to be your dad. And I'm happy you are my daughter too. I love you, baby.
You're my dad.
Yes, I'm your dad, baby. You are my daughter, right? You are my daughter and I'm your dad. I'm your dad and you are my daughter.
You're my dad and I am your daughter.
Good job.
The bus is leaving.
Yeah, the bus is leaving. Woo! School time. Ìwọ ló ń pèsè ìfẹ́ ràn. Ìwọ ló ń pèsè ìfẹ́ ẹja. I love my baby. I love my baby. I love my baby. She's a big girl. See, I love my Zion. See, I love my Zion. I love my Zion. She's a big girl. I love my Zion because she is the best. I love my Zion because she knows to read. I love my Zion because she knows to sing. I love my Zion because she's so smart. I love my Zion because she's the best. I love my Zion. Oh, she done make me count she colo. Zion, you wanna sing for daddy? Yeah, sing for daddy. Let me hear what you have to sing. Can you be my friend today? Yes, I wanna be your friend, Zion. Yeah, sing. Let me hear you singing. Yes, I wanna be your friend today. I wanna be your friend, baby.
Yes.
To be your friend?
Yes.
Ooh, Daddy gonna be your friend, baby girl.
Ooh.
Daddy gonna be your friend. 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 Ojú ìfẹ́ rẹ ló ń rọ̀ lémi lórí. Zion, Zion. Bó ṣe ṣe mí mi lè ṣàlàyé o arẹwà ọmọ mi. Ojú ìfẹ́ rẹ ló ń rọ̀ lémi lórí. Bó ṣe mí mi lè ṣàlàyé o arẹwà ọmọ mi. Go sit down. Sit down. Quick. I love you too, baby. Zion, she's the best. And yes, me, I know I'm gonna take care of my baby. Because that is my job. Making Zion look so beautiful. Zion, go sit down. You didn't use your seat belt. Why must you use your belt? Because you want to be what? Because you want to be what? Speak louder.
Safe.
Okay, if you want to be safe, you have to use your belt. Please, baby.
Okay.
Yeah. I know I'm supposed to tell you that, but Daddy is drunk in love. I'm in love with you. That's why I'm like, I don't know what to do, my baby girl. Just make sure you put on your belt and, just to be safe, baby. Daddy loves you, but we still have to be safe. You understand?
Yeah.
All right.
I know my daddy.
What you say?
My daddy.
You want to do what? You want to look good? Máa ṣe gbọ́ ohun tí wọ́n sọ ìwọ ọmọ mi. Dákun gbọ́ràn sí mi lẹ́nu ìwọ ọmọ mi o. Torí pé a jìyà púpọ̀ ká tó bí ẹ. Àbí ẹ tán ìyà yẹn ò pélékè rárá o. Yes?
Daddy, kitchen, bedroom, and living room.
Kitchen and what?
Living room, bedroom.
Ooh. You want new bed
Yeah.
and new chairs? You want new bed in our bedroom and new chairs in our living room?
Yeah.
Pray for Daddy to have money so that he can buy new chairs and new bed. Are you gonna pray for Daddy?
Yeah.
Good job. I love you, baby. Do you know you are my strength? You make Daddy strong. Oh, strong Daddy. Do you know you make Daddy strong? I love you, Zion. A lot of people are dropping their kids. That's why it's a little bit blocked,
Yes.
Yes. You have to leave home early. So, I don't want my daughter to be late. Do you want to late? No, my daddy said no. So, we have to be at school before 7:20. Ojoojúmọ́ ọjọ́ èmi ni mo fi ń dọ́gbọ́. Mo dàgbà lọ́gà, mo tó gágá.
And go to school.
Yeah, you can, it's good. I'm a young kid, Kere scorpion. Yes, baby. Yeah.
I don't want to grab my lunch bag.
You don't want to take a lunch bag? You don't want to forget your lunch bag? Is that what you say? Can you speak louder? I can't hear you.
Yes.
You don't want to forget your lunch bag?
No.
Daddy won't let you forget your lunch bag. I know your lunch bag is a little bit heavy today. Zanya don't always eat in school. Zanya don't eat at home. Still, she don't eat in school. And her teacher called yesterday and start complaining to daddy that Zanya only eats cookies. She don't want to drink water. She only eats cookie and she drank juice. Whenever they give her food to eat, Zanya gonna say no. Today, what mommy did is that she puts 2 Oreo cookies in her bag and she makes sure she also give her food, jollof rice in her flags. Today, Zanya, come here. Do you remember what daddy told you this morning?
Yes.
When you get to the lunch time, what are you gonna do first?
Eat.
Look at the camera. What are you gonna do first?
Eat.
After eating, what are you gonna do next?
Drink.
Drink what?
Water. And juice.
No, you drink water because water is what?
Juice.
No, you drink water because water is what? Which one is more healthy between water and juice? Stand very well and look at the camera. Which one is more healthy in between water and juice?
Cookies.
No, I'm asking. Is water healthy? So make sure you drink a lot of water. Do you understand that?
Yes.
After eating your food, you drink water. You drink a lot of water. After drinking a lot of water, you can now eat your cookies and your juice. Do you understand?
Yes.
Are you gonna do that?
No.
Are you gonna do that? You say yes, daddy.
Yes, daddy.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Give me 5. And be a good girl in class. You're gonna be kind, right? You're gonna be kind in class, right?
Yes.
Good job, my girl. Okay, put on your backpack and give your lunch bag to daddy so that he can help you. About to drop Zion up. That's my girl.
I want to say hello to my friends.
You want to say hello to your friends?
Yes.
Who are your friends? In school? How many friends do you have in school? Woo, motherfucker. Wanna see me, wanna look me. No, don't run. You see, you want to go and say good morning to auntie? Okay, go and hug auntie. Say good morning, auntie. I love you. Zion see a friend. Oh. Yeah, say good morning to auntie.
Good morning.
When Zion see auntie, she's so excited. She's like, oh, daddy, auntie. Okay, let's go. You want to move so fast? Okay, let's go. Zion, are you gonna be kind in class today? Are you sure? I love you, baby. That's my beautiful girl. You wanna say something? Take your lunch bag. Yeah, take your mask first. Take your mask.
Running, please.
Be a good girl, Zion. Sorry, baby. I just dropped off Zion in school. About to pick up Zara. I will be dropping Zara too. After dropping my daughter in daycare, I dropped Zion in school. About to pick up Zara after dropping Zara in daycare. Daddy, we have to do a little bit light workout. After then, I'll go to work, do some cleaning. Ooh. After cleaning my office, the next thing is to receive good customers. What's the next after that? If I have time, I have to go to gym. Party.
Chevy, ọmọ ìyálájẹ yìí, oyeye, àánú ni mo rí gbà lọ́wọ́ Elédùmarè mi, orí ìyá mi kò ní gbà kéèyàn kan wálé mi.
No doubt about that. I love my girls. Those girls, they are my strength. Use your seat there. I didn't learn how to drive in Nigeria, but I always drive like I'm in Lagos. Lagos blood in my body. She's alright already. Okay, I'll be home soon.
Okay.
This route is always blocked, so I have to work my way out. I just want to turn around, but there is not enough of space for me to make a U-turn. I have to go inside this apartment and turn around. I will now make, is it left? Yes, I will now make left and start heading back home. It's not easy, man. Taking care of kids, go to work, you know. Even taking care of kids is alone is like a big work. If you don't have little girls, like little kids, just be grateful. If your children are more than age 10, be grateful, man, because they can do almost everything by themselves. But 1 to like 8, 9, 10, shit, you have to go through it. And it's not easy. Big shout out to all parents. All responsible parents. Big shout out to them. All of them. They are doing a great job. And God will surely protect your kids, because taking care of them already is a big work. And if they now have issue like LD, not doing like that, I'm not saying on those kids that have like any challenges, maybe something crazy like that, but you know, it's what it is. If God give you something, you have to go through it. And those who have like that type of kids, they have like a double work to do. And God will protect all beautiful parents, all responsible parents. God will protect all of you. Because it's not easy, man. Now, this is what I'm talking about. Everywhere is blocked. And Zara has to be at the daycare before 8 o'clock. And this 7:37. Daddy will make it work. You know, I'll be Lagos driver. Get away from me, Bruce. I don't want to go back. Get away from me, Bruce. I don't want to go back. My battery was low and my camera almost died, and I was not able to showcase when I'm going inside. Right now, about to take Zara to school. Zara don't want to go to school. Zara, school time. I say bye, mommy. Bye, mommy. Let's go. Hey, Zara don't want to go to school. What are you looking for? What are you looking for, Zara? Let's go. It's Zara time. Mommy, can you close the door for me? Zara, let's go. Zara, Zara, Zara. Look at my baby girl. Oh. Oh. Oh, she's so beautiful. You want Daddy to carry you? Yeah, come on. Yeah. Oh, Zara, Zara, can you be my friend today? Oh, look at my princess. Look how beautiful she is. About to drop her in daycare too. Good night to you. Good night to you. You don't want to talk? You don't want to talk to Daddy? Oh. About to drop Zara in daycare, and my daughter is doing great. Look at my beautiful daughter. Good night to you. Good night to me. That's the only thing I can say to make her talk. So I'm going to get back to you guys when I'm about to drop her in daycare. So because my battery is about to die, and I want to capture when I drop Zara in daycare. Okay, thank you guys. Yeah, what's up everybody? It's another morning in Quiet African Bread in a Salon in Houston, Texas, 9910 South Gessner Road. Patronize my business, man. She understand. Support this little boy. We got you good. Basically, we do almost everything. Hair braiding, knotless braid, crochet braids, Senegalese twist, men braids, kinky twist, tribal braids, and lemony braids, and more. Okay, I was not able to show when I dropped Zara in daycare, and I was not able to show how I do the cleaning in my salon this morning because my camera's battery is low and I have to charge it, and I can't wait for the battery to charge before I started doing what I gotta do, you know. Work must go on. Right now I'm going on to see my beautiful wife. That's Choir African Braiding Salon. Patronize my business. We are located in 9910 South Gessner Road, Houston, Texas. Thank you. On my way home, going on to go and freshen up and come back to work to do what I gotta do. Yeah, what's up? On my way back to the salon. I went home quickly. Mommy is not going with me. That's my wife. She's not going with me because she needs to rest. That lady, she's so strong. She has been working hard to make everything, you know, to put everything together. She's gonna be the one to take care of Zion. She's still gonna be the one to take care of Zara. She's still gonna take care of Daddy. After that, she's still gonna take care of herself. That's how I always try to do my best to come in, like any way I can contribute to help her, to make the stress easy on her. And right now she's sleeping, and me, I'm going back to the salon to do some work. I'm trying to upgrade some part of the salon. Yesterday I made a new posters for the entrance, so when you're coming from outside, you're gonna see, like, the way I do the front door. I put more posters. That's gonna make it more attractive to customers. It was beautiful the way it is before, but you know, change is constant. You just have to keep upgrading. The more the business is growing, the more you try to add more value to the business. That's what I'm trying to do. So right now, on my way to work, I'm going back to the salon. I just went home. Woo! I just went home, shower, eat, dress up. Like, I didn't even waste time, and I'm out again because there is no time. You have to do what you need to do, man. No time. Yeah. All I have to know, if I know that, do you think about me? About me, yeah, yeah. Your love is finer. There is nobody finer. You're one of the kind, oh. Me, I miss you all the time, oh. All I have to know, since I know that, do you think about me? About me, yeah, yeah. Say one bonus, show my dad got, you know. You didn't make me fall in love, oh. always are from the girl myself. Everything is turning to every night. Oh. Do you think about me? About me, yeah. Some all I do, oh my God, you're like. I like you, you know for your mind, you know say now you I like you. You know for your mind, you know say that you I like you. You know for your mind, you know say now you I like you. Oh no, they call me boy wonder. Yeah. Entrance, this is what I'm talking about. You see? I just do that to make it look more attractive, and you know, change is constant. You have to keep upgrading, you know. Right now I'm going in.
Yes, sir.
Like I told you guys, change is constant. I want to try to upgrade this wall. I'm trying to buy like a paper wall to match this color. So right now I'm trying to measure the length so I can go to Home Depot to get the paper wall. Let's go inside. On my way to Home Depot to get some stuff. And I didn't tell you guys, I just fixed my my ties, the floor. I just fixed the floor, and the guy who did the tie really did a yonky job. To finish the job, to make it look clean and nice, just to make the edges look neat. I'm going to show you guys when the guy is doing it. I need to get this stuff. I don't know the name for it. Okay, I'm crazy. Alex Plus. I need to get this DAP. I need to get it to make the edges neat. After doing that, the wallpaper that I'm gonna use on the wall, that's gonna match the wall, I need to buy that too. And after getting that, I'll be back at the salon. I've not been sleeping. You see my face? my way to Home Depot. Home Depot. I'm at Home Depot already. Whew. So I'm going inside Home Depot to look for these and the paperwork also. I think I need some paint too. I'm a little bit confused. I want the paper wall, the one that looks something around this, but the one that's gonna match my salon. But after putting the paper wall, I'm still gonna use this, one of these, for the picture background. I don't know if I should just use this straight away instead of blocking the window. Maybe in future, if I want to take off this, the window is still gonna be useful. So I'm thinking of just to buy this straight away and install it. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Just to buy this straight away and install it. I don't know which one I need to buy between these two. Let me take a picture and I ask the opinion of the people who work together. Okay. The indoor and outdoor. But I'm gonna be using my inside just for pictures. Just for pictures, right? Okay, I found these. Alex Plus. This is the one that I want me to buy. And I think 3 will be enough. I guess. Each one is 620. 28. Wow. I'm looking for the restroom sign, but I couldn't find it. I don't have an option and to order it on eBay. Now I've already ordered the sign from eBay, and I've already got this. I need this. I bought 3 of it. So I bought 3 for the background, for the pictures. I'm still a little bit confused. Maybe I'm going to get the paper wall, or I'm just gonna get the grass wall. Why I'm a little bit confused is that if I put the paper wall, I'm still gonna use the grass wall. I'm just thinking about to just go for the grass wall, so I won't have to waste my money on buying the paper wall. This grass wall, I think is gonna be fine. This one. It looks better. I'll go and measure the size of the wall so I can go for one of these two. This one really look natural. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. It really look natural. And this one also look natural. But I guess I like this better. What do you think? This looks more natural. Yeah, I will go for this. I guess this is better. I will go for this. That's what I'm going to do. I'm not sure if I want to waste. I want to spend my money on what I don't really want to use it for. I also need one of these, but I want something that even though we put it on the floor, it's not going to be consuming air, because the one I have right now, all over it is air. I don't want something like that. I want something that is gonna be like air free. Even though we have air on the floor, it's still not gonna be on the carpet, because we really need it. If it's raining, someone want to come in from outside, they need to like clean their food. Yeah. Vlogging is not easy, man. I'm not used to vlogging. I just want to sit down in one place and talk, but right now I'm a little bit shy. Let me check out. I'll measure the wall and come back for the grass background. I think that's gonna work. I don't have to like spend excess money on the paper wall. About to check out. Okay, I only bought the floor filler and I bought three, and three is like $11. Let's say $12, $11.63. I'll go back to the salon and measure the wall. I think I'll just go for the grass. I don't have to buy the wallpaper. I don't have to buy that. I'll just buy the grass wall. That's gonna work. After buying the grass wall, the next thing to do is to do the name, the choir braids, the light one. I think that's gonna make the salon look a little bit classic. Yeah. And with the ability of us doing a good job, attending to our customer very well, give them what they really want, we are good to go. More better review, clean your salon, let it look neat. That's a way of attracting more customers, because if they see the way you're taking care of your salon, then more people want to come. I don't really know where I park my car. Okay, I guess I've seen it. Mansion I'm driving for now. My little mansion. Oh. Right now I'm leaving the Home Depot, going back to the salon. Let's go. You see how people are hustling in America. These people, they are looking for someone who's going to hire them to do all this dirty work. Maybe cleaning, or maybe cleaning of their house, or you want to park, you can carry all your load yourself. You come here to hire them to help you to pack all your loads, You pack your load. They help. Okay, 1 second. Hello, ma. They help you to pack your load. These people, they will help you to pack your load. They are Mexicans. They will help you to pack your load. They will help you to clean. They do all sorts of work. Just come to Home Depot, you're gonna see a lot of them. You see, America is not easy. If you are not willing to hustle, bro, I don't know how you want to survive. There are a lot of them. A lot of them around waiting for people who's going to hire them. Do you have anybody who knows how to do paint?
I paint, pero...
You paint?
How much?
How much?
You have me.
You paint?
Paint.
Do you do carpentry work too? Like carpenter, you do that too? I want someone who can do ties and paint.
Wood. Paint wood.
Do you understand?
Hey.
I said I'm looking for someone who knows how to do tie and paint. Do you know the floor? The tie on the floor?
Tile.
No, not tire.
El piso.
No, the tie on the floor. Okay.
Oh, será que ¿cómo se llama la reglita que a la que quiere
Yeah.
quitar?
Wow.
Ah, está también en el otro lado, ¿eh? Mosaico. ¿Qué será mosaico? Tire. Ah, ese es ceramic.
Out of 50.
Mister, what kind of
Ceramic.
work?
Ceramic.
Sorry.
You have card?
No. I have
Wow.
only have tools, everything. What kind of work?
I wanna do painting and tie.
Paint? Yeah, I can do paint.
You can do
I have
paint and
tools,
tie?
everything. This is you, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you take my number, no worry.
Ah,
I
ya,
wanna help
ya,
you.
Okay. Do you have card?
Te va a querer regañar el poli, muévelo para
Okay,
allá.
You
give
take
me
my
a,
number, no worry, I wanna
okay,
help you.
give me a number.
346?
1 second.
What do you need, sir? Ceramic?
No.
346?
346.
No, 346.
346.
This is 8. This is 3.
Because you people have many. I'm
Yeah,
promised.
346, 514, and the 15, and 24. Yeah, it's my name menu.
Okay, I'm gonna call you. I'll be back soon.
Yeah, I can do everything. I
Okay.
have tools, everything.
What
You call
need
me.
to do?
Call me, sir.
On business. It's not far. Okay.
Yeah, but
You
what do
call
you
me.
need to do?
The bro,
Okay.
I want to help you.
Okay.
viejo.
What do you need to do?
Venga, pestoso.
I want to paint and tie.
Tal, I know how to do tal.
Okay, I will call your friend. You see what I'm talking about? Just try them. You will see like 50 people on your car. They will be like, what do you want to do? What do you want to do? They are looking for someone who is going to hire them. So, if you are coming to America and in your head you think they are plugging money in America, bro, you have to plan well, though. I'm telling you, you just need to plan well. There is no place in this world where you will go to and you will be like, okay, I'm here, I'm just successful like that. You have to work hard. You really need to work hard. In fact, I'm telling you, I'm not joking. Those ones, they are looking for someone who is going to hire them. And you know it's not easy. I guess I will be ending this vlog very soon because it's not flowing. I'm about need to get used to this vlogging matter. Shall I understand? I need to get used to vlogging. I'm just learning. Oh. after getting to the salon, I'm going to end this vlog. So for those who are patronizing my business, I'm using this opportunity to say thank you. For those who loves choir, because I don't know, people really love me, I know that for sure. For those who really love choir, big thanks to you. Those who are supporting my music career, big thanks to you. Àwọn tó rí wa tán mọ́jú, wọ́n ṣeun. Àwọn kan lọ sí ẹ̀bà àtàmàlà tí ọ̀rẹ́ yàn jẹ́. Thank you, man. Thank you, man. Thank you, man. And this period of me trying to grow my YouTube channel, those who stay around when I'm building this channel, I really appreciate you guys. And when this channel will become a big platform, those who still gonna be around, then I say big thank you to everybody. I appreciate everybody and I'm grateful. I'm just grateful, like what is happening in my life. I'm grateful and I give all glory to God. Because it's not my power, what do I know how to do? Nothing. I give all glory to God. I'm grateful. I'm grateful and I will keep working hard. I know it's not by me working hard, it's God's grace, and I will keep doing what I know how to do. And I believe God will keep crowning my efforts. Along my day efforts, along my day laddie. So I'll just keep doing what I know how to do. God bless. God bless all of you that keep. Oh, you won't live for me like this. So God bless all of you that stay around, making sure my video is getting a little bit views. Even if I'm still having like 20 views, 30 views for now, I'm really happy and I appreciate that, because you got to start from somewhere. I really appreciate all of you and thank you to every each and okay, mo really appreciate gbogbo yín tẹ́ wá. For those who understand Yoruba, mo really appreciate gbogbo yín tẹ́ wá, meaning I appreciate all of you that here watching my video. Oh, Baba, wait. And with that, that everyone video. Oh, when you're in there, may they translate it only with the year. Bless. God bless everybody. Joke apart, God bless everybody, and I appreciate all of you. And I will keep doing what I know how to do, and I believe you guys will keep appreciating my work. And God bless everybody, Sha. Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate you guys. God bless you guys. I'm happy to have you guys in my life. You guys, I think my followers and me, we have to create one name for ourselves. Maybe choirs. I don't know. We are choir addicts. I don't know. We just have to create one name like that, so we can have this bond. So we click together with the name. When I say choir addicts or choirs, you guys knows that I'm talking to you guys. When I say choir, you know I'm there. My name is Choir. And when I say choir addicts, you know I'm talking about you guys. When I say choirs, you know I'm talking about you guys. Just if you have like any name that you think is gonna go with choir, something that we can be bearing as my friends, as my lovers, as my supporters. If you know any name we can be bearing, just to put each and all of us in one umbrella, you can comment it under below. Thank you, everybody. God bless all of you. I really appreciate you guys. I love you all. I love you all. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, and share my video.